Have you found less and less of your emails are getting opened lately, which leads directly to getting less sales than you'd expect? Now, what if you could make one simple change to your email marketing campaigns and boost your sales by over 50% immediately, and at the same time get a far better return of investment on all your retargeting campaigns? And by better, I'm talking about ROIs of more than 2,000%. And not to mention, you'd gain seamless integration between your email autoresponder and your Facebook ads account, enabling you to create ultra-targeted Facebook custom audiences in a way you've never seen before. Let me tell you how you can get all of this and more. In case we haven't met before, my name is Wilke de Kraai and I've been an online entrepreneur for over a decade now. You might know me from various game-changing platforms such as Viral, for example. Now, my team and I have made it our mission to provide entrepreneurs and marketers with cutting-edge solutions to make marketing almost effortless, no matter what your current level of experience is. Now, let me tell you about two problems that kept coming up in my own marketing over the last year. Fewer people were actually opening and clicking on the links inside my emails, and secondly, my Facebook ad costs were actually rising at the same time. So I was reaching fewer people with my offers, no matter whether I was trying to reach them through an email or trying to reach them through using Facebook ads. And that's a big problem for any business owner. I knew there had to be a better, more effective way to reach my audience. So what I'm about to show you here will transform the way that you are marketing to all of your email list, as well as on Facebook, forever. I know that's a bold statement, but it's true. So just stay with me for a few minutes and you'll see why. It all started with an experiment that I did to test out a theory about email retargeting that I was banging around with. So here's what I did exactly. After I sent out an email to my email list to promote a high-ticket affiliate offer, I then set up a Facebook retargeting campaign that would show a simple ad to everyone who opened that email, even if they didn't click on the link inside or visited my website, for example. So for the next week, they would actually see a Facebook ad for the exact same offer that I was also promoting. And I figured that if just one of them would purchase, it would make the campaign instantly profitable and worth my while. So it was a pretty straightforward concept. Present a retargeted Facebook ad to a portion of my email list based on who actually opened that particular email. So only if they would open that email, they would end up seeing that Facebook ad. Now, the total ad test costed me a bit less than $7. So how did I do? Well, check out the results below. And as you can see, I didn't get just one sale, I got three sales from a very simple retargeting test to sell a big ticket product, pocketing me over $1,485 in commission. So I put $7 in and I got close to $1,500 out. That's not bad, right? And like I said, this was to promote an affiliate product. If it had been one of my own big ticket products, that $7 would have given me a return of almost $3,000. So needless to say, with this one simple test, I was more than convinced that email retargeting is incredibly powerful. And you already know that web-based retargeting has become a great way to increase conversions with your past visitors. And as my little test shows, email retargeting works even better. So now that my theory was sound, the challenge was to develop an application that would make email retargeting possible in an easy, effective and profitable way for anyone. My team and I have been working hard since early 2015 and we're proud to release ConnectAudience to the public for the first time ever. ConnectAudience is the revolutionary autoresponder and Facebook marketing system. It's a sophisticated yet easy to use application which synchronizes your autoresponder account with Facebook ads to build super targeted custom audiences. And best of all, it does it all easily and painlessly. It's fully automated and loaded with a powerful interface that helps you get the most out of your email retargeting campaigns as well as your subscriber list. ConnectAudience allows you to retarget everyone on your customer or subscriber list based on how they behave inside your own email inbox. Simply select any part of your email list or a combination of email lists, and ConnectAudience then synchronizes the selected portion of your email list into your Facebook ads account, so you can instantly run ads to any segment of your email list. There's no other tool like this on the market, and I really think you'll be amazed at the potentially to dramatically increase your profits using ConnectAudience. So check out this entire page and definitely watch the demonstration and case study videos below just to see how incredibly easy this really is. This offer is only available for a very limited time, so take advantage while you still can. And as with all of our products, there's no risk to give ConnectAudience a test drive for a full 30 days. So just try it out and I think you'll agree, it will change the way you are marketing on Facebook as well as to your subscriber list forever. We created ConnectAudience to help business owners and marketers from around the globe just like yourself. So check it out and get ConnectAudience while you can get in at this special pricing. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the dashboard.
Hey, it's me, Boker the Cry here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to create a Facebook audience for any part of your email list. So right now I'm inside the ConnectAudience dashboard and I'm about to create a new audience. So the first thing I'm going to do is enter a name. I'm going to call it audience test, for example. And I can, if I want, I can add a tag, which makes it easy to keep track of all the audiences that you're creating. Now next, you're going to select the autoresponder that you've connected with your account. In this case, I, for example, connected my GetResponse account. And now we can actually start targeting any part of our email list. So let's say I want to target people who are subscribed to, for example, a certain email list. So right now I'm targeting everyone who is subscribed to the email list, clients or social. Well, I can then add and or rule. So let me just show you that. So if I do this, let me just select another email list right here. Right now I'm targeting everyone who is subscribed to the email list, clients or social, or who is subscribed to the email list, clients video skin. So if they are on that list or they are on that list, they'll be included in this audience. Now what I can also do is I can also say, well, I want actually people, let me just delete this one. And as you can see, everything is really easy to use. I can also say, well, I want everyone who is on the email list, clients or social, and is subscribed to the email list, clients video skin. So this means that right now we're going to target everyone who is on both of these email lists. So your audience is even more targeted, because now you know, like, these are the most passionate people because they purchased 2 of your products, for example. Now of course these are just some simple examples. We can also go for, let me just delete that. And let me just say I want to target everyone who's on that email list who has, for example, opened a certain email message. So we can just select any of your email messages that you sent recently, and you can see, you know, target everyone who has opened it, or maybe who has not opened it. So they did get it, but they didn't open it. Or, for example, who has clicked a certain link. And if we're going to do that, you can select the email message and then select the link inside the email. So if you have multiple links, you can even make sure that you can target everyone who has clicked on a certain link inside that email. So the possibilities are pretty much limitless, because you can combine all of these. You can say, are they subscribed to an email list? Are they not subscribed to an email list? Have they received a certain email? Have they not received an email? Did they actually open it, or did they not open it? Did they click on the link, or did they not click on the link? You can combine it any way you want. You can add multiple filters, for example, and that's really how it all is. And like you see, it's really easy to use. So now let me just go ahead and, for example, create an audience for, let's keep it simple, for people who are subscribed to that email list, and also to, for example, this email list right here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to publish to Facebook. You have the option, yes. If you agree to the custom audience terms, you're going to select that. And finally, we have an option to, and this is really important and really powerful, to update this audience on a daily basis. So if we're going to select this, you can select the time. You can select any time of the day. And what this will do is it will automatically update your custom audience on Facebook based on the email list. So if we're going to do this, then every single day we'll reconnect your Facebook ads account with your autoresponder, and we're going to check, hey, are there any new people that have been added to any of those email lists? And if they have, then we're going to add them to the custom audience as well. And this means that it's always up to date, because we're updating it every single day. So right now, let me just create the audience. Right now the audience has been created, so which means that Facebook is going to update it as we speak. And once it's done, it will show right here. All right, the audience is now ready for use, and you can use it in any of your Facebook ads. So let me just click on view so you can see it inside Facebook. As you can see right here, it's called Audience Test, as we called it. It's a custom audience, and it's based on all the people that we just specified in our ConnectAudience interface. So let's say I want to create a Facebook ad and I want to send people to my website. I'm going to say, all right, let's send them to viral.com. Click continue. And I want to target all these people. So I'm just going to enter the name right here, audience test, and you can now target to that specific part of your email list. It's really that simple. And of course, you can easily edit any of your audience by clicking on the edit button, and you can just change the rules for your current custom audience. And of course, you can also easily update it, which means that we're going to reconnect with your autoresponder right now and basically send over all the customers that are currently in the email list. So if you just had some people signing up an hour ago, they'll be included as well. And what you can even do is create a lookalike audience, which means that Facebook is going to see and check, hey, which audience is similar than the one that you've created. So based on the audience that you have right here, we're going to create an even wider audience with people outside who are not on your email list, so outside your email list, and you can target those. You can select which country you use. You can select how broad or how precise you want to target, and just click on create audience, and we'll do the rest for you. You can create unlimited audiences with your account, and of course we have all the instruction videos that you need, as well as an in-depth training course as well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the inside, and I'll talk to you soon.